How to delete Tidal account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can delete your Tidal account. In order to delete your Tidal account, first of all, you need to visit the website. In the web address bar, type in www.tidal.com. So after you type in the link that is tidal.com, it's going to take you to the official page, and over here this is how it's going to look like. So click on the try bar icon located right on top and click on the login button. Enter in your credential and then log in into your account. After you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the home page and click on the gear icon and select delete account from the menu in the left hand side bar. After that, enter in the password and then tap the delete account button again. Your Tidal account will be deleted and your data will be removed from the Tidal services. And Tidal account will be deleted and all your data will be removed from the Tidal services as well. Now if you don't want to delete your account, what else you can do is you can also cancel your subscription. So in order to cancel your subscription, what you'll need to do is you'll need to log in into your account once again, and after that you'll need to go to account settings, and from the list you need to click on subscription and payment. After that you'll be taken to the official web page, and from there you need to click on the cancel button. As soon as you do that, your subscription will be cancelled, and however, your account won't be deleted in this case, but your subscription will be cancelled and you'll no longer be able to access your Tidal account. So these were some of the steps on how you can delete your Tidal account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.